Question number first. Chapter name Practical Geometry. Mathematics Class 8th. Chapter 4. Exercise 4.2. Question number first. We have to construct the following quadrilaterals. The first part we are considering in this tutorial, which requires us to construct a quadrilateral whose name should be LIFT. Before constructing even a single line segment, we first of all check the continuity of the given line segments to us. That is, we have first of all Li which is continuous, therefore it must be the side of this quadrilateral. Then we have IF, again continuous, therefore it must be the side of quadrilateral. Then we have TL, again it is continuous, therefore it must be the side of the quadrilateral. LF, L is over here, F is over here, I is missing, therefore it is not continuous, therefore it must be one of the diagonal of this quadrilateral. At last we have IT, so IT, again it is not continuous because F is missing, therefore it must be another diagonal of this quadrilateral. So here we observe that we are given with three sides of the quadrilateral LIFT and two diagonals, and we know very well from this exercise 4.2 that if we have three sides and two diagonals given to us, we can easily construct any quadrilateral. Again, if you are not understanding anything, you must watch this chapter 4th from its initial exercise, that is 4.1, from its very initial parts. There we have elaborately told you what continuity means, what adjusting of compasses means, and so on. After that, we try to construct a rough sketch which we mark as step number 0. That is, never go on constructing your figure directly with the actual measurements. First of all, we must make rough sketch in order to avoid any mistake in our actual drawing. In case of quadrilateral, it is best practice if we draw one of the given diagonal horizontally. It makes our construction easy. Therefore, we selected LF equals to 4.5 centimeter. With the help of our assumption and a ruler, we constructed this line segment LF and we marked down its measurement as 4.5 centimeter. After this, we have two ways to construct this quadrilateral LIFT. One is clockwise direction. If we chose so, then I must come over here. But we chose to draw it anti-clockwise direction, therefore I must come here. Therefore it will complete like LIFT. So are we given the distance of Li? Well, yes, Li is 4 centimeter. So again we made our assumption and with the help of ruler we constructed approximately at certain angle and we wrote its measurement as 4 centimeter. Then we have to connect IF. Its measurement is given to us as 3 centimeter. Again, with the help of ruler, we assumed and connected these 2 points. And with this, we have constructed bottom half of this quadrilateral. Now we are only left to construct a vertex T. Therefore, it must come somewhere here. Are we given with the distance of FT? Well, if you observe, we are not given with this distance, but we are given with distance of LT. It is 2.5 centimeter. Therefore, this point should come towards side L because 2.5 centimeter is a small distance. So we approximately put our vertex T over here and connected it and wrote 2.5 centimeter. Now it is just a matter to connect TF line segment whose measurement is not provided to us, but it is okay. We can connect it. With this, our quadrilateral has been constructed. Now we need to construct another diagonal, that is IT is left to be constructed and its measurement is 4 centimeter. So we connected these two vertices, that is T and I, and wrote its measurement as 4 centimeter. We have shown it in green color so that you don't get puzzled between these two diagonals measurements. With this, we have successfully created our rough sketch. And before trying to construct actual measurement, we must revisit what we have constructed so far, whether we have constructed it correct or not. You may check it in any way you like. Let's first check this measurement. That is, measurement of line segment Li is 4 centimeter. Well, that's correct. Now, IF is 3 centimeter. IF is 3 centimeter, correct. TL is 2.5 centimeter. TL is 2.5 centimeter. LF is 4.5 centimeter. LF is one of the diagonal and its measurement is 4.5 centimeter. then IT is 4 centimeter, another diagonal IT is 4 centimeter, and we just connected this line segment. Therefore, we are now sure that our rough sketch is correct and we can head on to construct our actual figure with actual measurements. So first of all, in step number first, we simply connected LF with the help of ruler and jotted down its measurement as 4.5 centimeter. With this, our step number first is completed. We must tell you, you must pause this tutorial in every step and try to construct with us in order to get every information into your mind correctly. Now, the second step is to construct either of these two vertices, T or I. Well, here is a problem. We cannot construct vertex T because we know this distance, but we do not know this distance. Although we know this distance, we can adjust the compasses and find out this position, but we cannot do it right now because we do not know this vertex. So only option left with us is to construct this vertex I, because this I vertex is at a distance of 4 centimeter from vertex L and at a distance of 3 centimeter from vertex F. Therefore, we will adjust our compasses at a distance of 4 centimeter because we are considering the distance of line segment LI, and we will put our needle over L and draw this arc. Then we will readjust the compasses at a distance of 3 centimeter and put the needle over F, and we will draw this arc. So in order to construct any point on a piece of a paper, we need two distances. Then only we are able to locate any given point, in this case vertex I. So wherever both these arcs intersect, that will be our point I, which will be at a distance of 4 centimeters from vertex L and at a distance of 3 centimeters from vertex F. Pause it and try to construct it by your own. Third step is very easy. We simply connect our newly found vertex I with the given vertices L and F with the help of a ruler. Now we have constructed this downward portion of this quadrilateral, that is bottom half of this quadrilateral LIFT. Now we can easily construct or locate this vertex T. Now in step number 4th, we will readjust the compasses at a distance of 2.5 centimeter from L, and we will put our needle over L and construct this arc. Again, we do not know the distance of this line segment TF, but now we have located I and we know the distance from I to T is 4 centimeter. So we will readjust the compasses at a distance of 4 centimeter and put our needle over I and draw this arc. The arc should be long enough so that both these arcs intersect each other. For an instance, if you just only construct this arc this much, then you will not be able to intersect them. So do not be worried about elongating your arc. The idea is that both these arcs must intersect each other. Pause the tutorial, do it yourself. Step number 5. Take your ruler and simply connect the newly founded vertex T with vertex L and F. That completes our step number 5. At last, step number 6 is simple. We just have to tidy up our construction. That is, we need to jot down all the measurements using our rough sketch. The ultimate benefit of constructing rough sketch is that you do not have to watch again and again the given information. So at last, we wrote 4 centimeter for line segment LI, 3 centimeter for line segment IF. For TF, we do not have the measurement, so we do not write. For TI, we wrote 4 centimeter. We need to construct this line segment. And at last, line segment LF, which is a diagonal 4.5 centimeter, that has been shown in blue color so that you don't get puzzled between these two line segments dimensions. So with this, we have successfully constructed a quadrilateral LIFT, and it is a really fun process. And it becomes easy if we draw our rough sketch correctly. And the continuity of the line segments give us idea whether they are sides or diagonals of the given figure. With this, our first part of question number 1st, chapter 4th, exercise 4.2, Mathematics Class 8th, Practical Geometry has been solved.